viewers, welcome to the Cookery Show presented by IndiaAndFacts.com and Sulekha.com. I'm sure many of you are familiar with Andhra cuisine. Andhra cuisine is very famous for its hot and spicy food. It mainly consists of Andhra cuisine as well as Hyderabadi cuisine, which has a Mughal influence to it. But Andhra cuisine has a liberal use of spices and it's mainly vegetarian. Today I'm going to show you one such Andhra delicacy, which is Totukura Pappu, which literally means spinach dal. Totukura means spinach and Pappu means dal. Let's get started with the ingredients. I have about 3 bunches of spinach here. They are small bunches, or you can use one large bunch. About 2 tomatoes chopped, 2 onions chopped, 1 green chili split, some red chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida or hing powder, whole cloves of garlic, salt, and here I have about 200 grams of tur dal, soaked tamarind. You can pre-soak it in water for a while so it becomes a little soft. And for tempering I have split urud dal, red chilies, curry leaves, jeera or cumin, mustard seeds and split Bengal gram dal. First we need to pressure cook all the ingredients. So you first wash the dal, the tur dal, put it in the pressure cooker, pour enough water to cover the dal. So the dal should be completely immersed in water. So that's how much water you pour. Then you add the spinach. You can see I've cut up the leaves like this. You don't put the stalks, just take the leaves, use the spinach leaves, chop them. Seems like there's a lot of leaves, but once you cook it, they will be reduced. So don't worry about it. Then you add the tomatoes and the onions together and the green chili as well. I'm just adding 1 green chili. So just put everything, and what you're going to do is just pressure cook it. You don't add salt now. You can add it in the after it's all cooked. We'll put the soaked tamarind. It's about 1 tablespoon. You can see. Just add the pieces as a whole. So about 1.5 teaspoons chili powder. If you want it a little spicy, you can add a little more. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So just close it now. You can see it's all bubbling up there. Now you can close it. Keep it for about 4 whistles and pressure cook it. See, now you can see it's done. The spinach is cooked. What you need to do is mix it up nicely. You need to smash everything together. If you have a heavy ladle, use that. You can see the dal is all nicely cooked. You get a nice rich color here. Once you've mixed the spinach nicely like this, just add some salt. I've added about 1 teaspoon. You add the salt according to your taste. So mix it up. Now that the Totukura Pappu is cooked, I'm going to start the tempering now. For that we need crushed garlic. So I'm just going to crush it like this. Remove the skin. Take a few. Crush it lightly. For the tempering you need some oil as well as ghee. So I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil and 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil and ghee is a little hot, the red chilies, you break them like that. Add some mustard. Add some split urud dal, some broken Bengal gram, some cumin. Add the crushed garlic, a few curry leaves, and half teaspoon of hing or fenugreek powder. And now you can add the dal. Be careful when you do this because you can see it's bubbling up. Turn off the stove while you do this. I can get a lovely aroma of ghee with the dal. Now that the dal is ready. Totukura Pappu is ready now. You can have it with white rice or chapati.